So what did you hear in the courtroom today?
Well, I'm standing here on the steps of the Supreme Court having just left the oral argument, and what I heard were a lot of justices who were concerned about how our patients and staff could come in and out of our health centers. There was a lot of discussion about the big groups of people and the congestion at our health centers, making it difficult for people to come in and get health care or for our employees to come into work. The law doesn't infringe on anyone's free speech. The law applies to everyone, no matter what it is they say. They just need to step back 35 feet from the doorway and say it. And we know from the protesters' own testimony in this case that they speak with our patients regularly and have access to our patients, and that there's a free exchange of ideas out on the sidewalk. So we know from also what we see our patients talking with the protesters. So there's ample opportunity for communication out on the public sidewalk with this buffer zone law in place. When I was in the state legislature in 2007, what led me to propose the law and then work to get it signed into law by Governor Patrick were the conditions outside of the Planned Parenthood health centers, where it was so difficult for patients to get in the door safely and for the staff to come to work safely. There were large groups of screaming, angry, intimidating, threatening people in the doorway, making it very difficult and very unsafe. And when I went to the Planned Parenthood Health Center in Alston, I saw for myself what it was like. I saw patients in tears. They were so scared and so upset by how they were being treated out in the doorway. Those things don't happen anymore. Under the current law, we have protesters almost every day, but they're far enough back from the doorway that our patients and staff can enter safely. They can stop and talk to the protesters if they wish, but they can also come in the door without the kind of physical confrontations and harassment that we experienced under the old buffer zone law.